Hey, it's Mr. Peace, and I just got done sharing my heart for another virtual visit with Vista Unified School District in Vista, California, with some of the schools that are part of the after-school program. And today's focus we built on last month's being positivity, being your best self, right? And we took that to the next level, talking about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. So what we love to do, what just brings us joy, is like a fire in our heart that makes us come alive. We turn whatever that is into our purpose. Why we're here on this planet, why we're here on this earth, right? Why we were even born. And we take that and we go and share that with this world. And so the shirt that I'm wearing for today's talk has the multicolored peace sign, kind of in the shape of a heart as well, because that's where that passion lies, deep within all of us. If somebody calls my cell phone, right, at the end of my voicemail it says, tell me something that you're passionate about. And I get a wide range of answers. It could be family, it could be friends, it could be sports, it could be chocolate cake. And sometimes people don't know what to say because they haven't even thought about what is it that they are so passionate about. So to start thinking about that at a very young age is so amazing when I see students that I know and I've met that are already trying to make a difference, right? Just trying to be that person to maybe change a life forever, maybe even save a life. Just like we talked about with the story of the starfish, that at least it makes a difference to this one. And we went through a series of videos and stories and other visuals that tried to reinforce what the focus was for today, to put people first, things second, to focus on the priorities, what's so important in our lives, and to know that we're doing things because it's the right thing to do, to also have courage to do the right thing, even when no one's looking, like the story with the rock, right? Or to make sure that we do things not just for the trophy, right? Not just for awards, but we just, again, do them because they're in our heart. And we keep trying to think about what we also want to be remembered for. We talked about the helping hands and the story of the legacy, and to really think about how you want to be remembered by other people. And that's how we go and live. And hopefully it's somebody that's strong, that stands for something, that has strong character, strong values, very strong principles. So that is how we tied that into the bowling ball. People that are like bowling balls, right? That are very solid in their character and in life in general. They're usually going to go farther than somebody that's like a balloon, right? Because when that peer pressure to do the wrong thing comes around, they're going to be a lot less affected than somebody that is just following. So there's so many ways that we can be a leader, right? We could be a quiet leader. We could be a very loud leader. We could lead through our actions. We could really just kind of lead just by the way that we live our lives. And so when we keep thinking about what it is that we want to do and what we want to be, the first thing we need to be is a leader. And to always remember this too, that all of us are true miracles. And the M on all of our palms, M for miracle upside down, W for worthy. One of the students today talked about how it can also mean wonder. It can mean whatever you want it to. And leadership, what's so cool about it, where there's all these different colors on the shirt too, is because there's so many different styles. And it doesn't make us any less of a person to lead one way or another way, as long as we're striving to go and help teach others and just help others in general. And if we need to follow for a little bit to learn from a coach or a parent or a teacher, that we stay humble enough to do that as well. And know that we can inspire so many others by how we choose to lead, how we choose to live. Thanks for touching my heart. As always, we'll be talking about diversity and the need for human kindness next month, about our differences and that need for unconditional love, love without any conditions. So stay tuned for that. And as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out my website to track my journey across this country. And you can look at the amazing playlist of videos here to know what's going on with Mr. Peace. Much love. Peace.